Have you tried losing weight but gave up because it was too hard, too expensive, or just didn't work? What if I told you that a simple change in what you drink could be the missing piece? This is not another trendy diet. Today, I'm going to show you how thousands of people are shedding pounds naturally with easy and delicious smoothies, and how you can start today. I recently discovered something called the Smoothie Diet, 21-day rapid weight loss program. It was created by a certified health coach with over a decade of experience. His mission? To offer a real solution for people who want to lose weight, detox their body, and feel good without pills, crazy workouts, or extreme restrictions. Here's how it works. For 21 days, you replace 1 or 2 meals a day with nutrient-packed smoothies. These shakes boost your metabolism, flush out toxins, and keep you full for hours. The plan includes a done-for-you schedule, a grocery list, and recipes that are simple and delicious. All you need to do is blend, sip, and feel the change. What really got me were the results. Real people, just like you and me, have lost 10, 15, even 20 pounds in just 3 weeks. They feel lighter, more energized, and proud of how they look. Check out the official website, link in the description, to see real before and after photos and testimonials. And the best part? The ingredients are easy to find at your local store. But this isn't just about losing weight. It also reduces bloating, improves digestion, regulates your gut, and even helps you sleep better. It's a full body reset, and it shows. You'll wake up with more energy, glowing skin, and the confidence you've been missing. When you get the official program, here's what's included: daily smoothie recipes, 3-week schedule, and meal plan, complete shopping list, bonus tips to keep results long-term. Instant access. You can start today. And unlike expensive diets or gym memberships, this plan is super affordable. Plus, it comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. That means 0 risk for you and a massive opportunity to transform your body naturally. So if you're ready for a real change, healthy, sustainable, and affordable, this is your moment. Click the link in the description now, go to the official site, and start your transformation today. 21 days go by fast, and your new body might just be 3 weeks away. It's not too late. You're not alone. And yes, you can do this. Click the link, take the first step, and let's make this change happen together.